Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is another open collaboration. Don't go away because I'm going to tell you about that a little later. But now let's get crafting. I purchased several of these picture frames at Michael's last year. I bought several of them for $5 in the grab bag. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take all these metal pieces out of here because we will not be needing them. And I will be giving it 2 coats with this white chalk paint, and I will only be painting the back side of the picture frame. Once that is done, I'm going to come in with some felt pads, and this is to prevent from scratching any surface. So now this is done, I'm going to put this to the side. And I also purchased some of these reindeers from Dollar Tree. Look at how beautiful. I'm going to take them outside and I'm going to spray paint them in gold. I'm going to do that to 2 of them, and 1 I'm just going to leave just as is. And before we continue, I just want to let you know that this is an open collaboration and it's being hosted by myself and Rae from One Way Designs 238, and the co-host this month will be Lori D's Creation. And on this collaboration, we have to make minimum of 2 DIYs, and one of them being a Winter Wonderland Centerpiece. Make sure to go into my description box for the links to their channels. And please make sure to give them a lots of love. So I have this cylinder I purchased at a garage sale for 50 cents. And this sand was some sand that I had leftovers from years back. I'm going to go ahead and put some of it inside the cylinder. And now I have this gold tree that I'm going to be putting inside, along with that reindeer that I showed you earlier. I'm going to put it right here in the middle. And now I have these other 2 deers that I purchased at a state sale, and this was $15 for both pieces. And look at how well done this looks. Nice and classy. Look at that gold necklace that he has around him. Well, it's a wreath. And this greenery, 6 in a package from Dollar Tree for $1.25. I'm going to go ahead and flock them with this white chalk paint. I'll be doing the same thing to all 6 pieces. So I have several pieces of floral. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 bundles, and then I'm just going to go ahead and use a tiger tie to tie both of the greeneries facing each other. Just keep watching so this can all make sense. Okay, so now the 2 bundles of greenery are tied together, and I have this pretty gold ribbon that I'm going to be gluing right here in the middle of both of these beautiful bundles. And this is the way it looks. Look how pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and put this right here in the middle so we can continue to create this beautiful Winter Wonderland centerpiece. So I'm just going to go ahead and start adding greenery wherever I think it needs it. Then later on, I'm coming in with fairy lights. We'll also be adding 4 crystal candle holders to the tray, and I will also add 2 more trees to the cylinder, and they have their own lights. But now let's go ahead and start with this other DIY before I show you the final reveal. And these cutting boards, I purchased them at Dollar Tree, and I'll be giving it 2 coats with this white chalk paint. I'll be doing the same thing to both. Once dry, I'm coming in with this mirror tile, and I'm going to start cutting it the way you see here, and then hot gluing it to the whole border of both of these beautiful cutting boards. I am loving this project. Something so easy yet so simple, and again so elegant. So I purchased these pretty little angels from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take these wings out and I'm going to use 8 of them actually. 4 on each, just like you see here, and this is going to be the legs. But before then, I'm going to come in with this white chalk paint and I'm going to give it 2 coats to all 8 pieces. And now they are completely dry, so I'm going to go ahead and hot glue all of the pieces to the cutting board. And this is so simple, and look how beautiful and elegant it turned out to be. And of course I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other cutting board. Look how gorgeous this looks, so elegant. And I have this Christmas tree along with these fairy lights. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these fairy lights around the tree, and we are getting ready to decorate the cutting boards. And again, this video is part of a open collaboration. Don't forget to go into my description box and look for their links, and make sure that you visit them and give these young talented creators a lots of love. And if you are coming from one of their channels, hello, my name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. I'm hoping you do consider subscribing, and don't forget, if you like this video, give me that big thumbs up. It will help my channel. And look, you see that little reindeer, the one that we painted in gold? That's what we're going to be using to decorate this beautiful riser. And again, I want to thank every single one of you for stopping by and staying until the end of my video. Don't forget to comment in the comment section and let me know which is your favorite. And now I am getting ready to show you the final reveal. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video.